Cebu IT Park. Cebu IT Park, Cebu City. This is the IT hub of the Cebu. That's the one of the oldest residential condominium here in Cebu. Cebu IT Park. That's the Asia Premier. And that's the Qualphone condominium. Qualphone. We are going now to Ayala. Ayala Central Block. That's the 38 Park Avenue. That's the Globe. And this is the Ayala. Ayala Malls. The one and only mall here in Cebu IT Park. That's the Ayala Mall. Seda Hotel, just beside the Ayala Mall. And let's turn right because we are going to take lunch here in Ayala. Ayala Central Block. Hope everyone is okay today. And let's go.